Welcome to LeMans Land Rover Service Brisbane. Are you looking for an affordable alternative to the dealerships? Are you tired of waiting weeks or more for basic service? There's no need to spend over $1,000 for just a basic service. With a passionate team of technicians, we offer a comprehensive range of Land Rover services, including routine maintenance, most mechanical repairs, diagnostics, safety certificates, as well as a full range of performance tyres specific for your vehicle. Our team of experts know all the common faults with the Land Rover range, which helps troubleshooting problems, removing the costly guesswork you may experience elsewhere. At LeMans Land Rover Service, we have 6 convenient locations across the CBD, including Bulimba, Milton, Newstead, Gabba, West End, and our new state-of-the-art workshop at Kedron. We can generally fit you in the next day with the same-day service. Our no-price surprise guarantee means you know exactly what you're paying before you collect your vehicle. As Bosch and RACQ registered workshops, your warranty is protected. We also identify potential issues that may be covered under your factory warranty. You'll find our service to be a refreshing change, offering a personalised, friendly, helpful, and genuinely positive experience. So come and see why thousands of Brisbane motorists choose LeMans as their preferred Land Rover repairer. Call our friendly team today.